Editorial. A judiciary in crisis. The Supreme Court of Pakistan is facing a grave crisis of legitimacy. A growing chorus within the legal fraternity has been calling for challenges to the 26th Amendment to be heard by a full court, but these appeals have thus far been ignored. This reluctance to engage with concerns over the amendment has fueled doubts about the judiciary's independence and impartiality. The amendment in question has created legal and administrative complications that now threaten the very foundation of judicial autonomy. The widespread perception is that the judiciary has fallen under undue influence from other branches of the state, with judicial appointments increasingly being made not on the basis of merit but on expectations of political or institutional loyalty. This has undermined confidence in the courts and eroded public trust in the rule of law. While such allegations must be substantiated before being taken as fact, what is undeniable is the judiciary's failure to seriously address these concerns. Leadership within the institution has largely remained silent, failing to engage with calls for transparency or reform. A judiciary that does not actively work to preserve its own credibility risks becoming ineffective, its judgment subject to suspicion and its authority weakened. In democratic societies, the independence of the judiciary is sacrosanct. If the highest court in the land is seen as compromised or unable to function freely, the entire legal system is at risk. The Supreme Court must recognize that this is not just an issue of legal interpretation but one of institutional survival. The demand for a full court hearing on the 26th Amendment must not be dismissed. To do so would be to deepen the very crisis that now threatens the judiciary's standing in the eyes of the public.